What's up, everybody? Coming at you from the beautiful Niagara Regional Sportsmen's Gun Club in St. Anne's, Ontario. And today we're hosting a Ladies Range Day event. We've invited out women and girls from the community to come try the great sport of shooting. We've got multiple different guns to try, archery, food, some vendors. I think this is going to be an awesome event. Stay with us. Let's go check it out.
I wanted to get around and what he's doing.
Wow, this is amazing. So I'm gonna get
When the boat was going.
this group. I'm gonna have you guys go to 100 over here, and then they'll take over there for you and direct you.
One more. Gotta go down. There you go.
The safety coach will make sure the gun's unloaded properly. Okay.
I want you to shoot it.
Trying to get the sound button.
Microphone built in, so I can hear.
There's a young man and a young lady. They're just walking around anyway. Yeah. The young man. Kristen! I think he went to the very far.
So if it doesn't matter if it's a semi-auto or if it's the double barrel, finger off trigger unless you're actually firing. All right. Feet are put for balance. The butt of the stock is the knee to the shoulder. Higher is better than lower, so you can get your eye lined up with that rib. That rib here, and put that bead on top of the rib like a golf ball on a tee. Line it up with your eye. Point it at that little steel plate, the white one. Okay. And when you're ready to fire, we'll take the safety off. It'll reload itself each time for 3 shots. Okay? Lean into it. Bang. It'll reload. Bang. It'll reload until all 3 are fired. Okay? Right. Now, safety's off. You can fire the first shot. Lean forward. Yep. Trigger's right there. Fire the first shot. Yeah. That's a zombie. Yeah. Got him again. Yeah! Way to go, girl!
Way to go!
Safety on. Okay. Alright, are ready? Okay. Lean forward a bit. Bring your arm under the gun, it'll help you hold the weight. Okay. Aim at the bottom of that steel plate. Yeah! Got him in the head.
Yay!
Okay. Yeah, got him. Center mass.
that's it,
Finger off
Jack.
trigger unless you're shooting, okay? When you're not shooting, finger off trigger. Okay, now you can go to trigger when you're ready. Yeah, nice shot. Center mass, a zombie. Well done.
Grab a chair.
You're ready to
So
shoot.
let's get you to sit behind. Okay.
What eye do you see
Alright, so now you still. I didn't see the pack.
Oh, then lean a bit forward with your upper body.
Try not to block you too.
Are you getting it?
Now, do I?
No. It's not semi-automatic, so we're gonna add it next.
Block that up a bit. I got 2. Squeeze the trigger, which takes a lot of pounds out. Or you can cock it and it's a little lighter on the trigger.
Come on in.
No, you're ready to go there.
It's over there.
Take that and just like that.
Chop the mag.
And you're on the other alternate.
This thumb under the other one. Yep, right like that. Oh yeah. So that's your grip. So when you get up on target, you understand the sight alignment, and you're just going to take this hand off. You're going to pull that back. Let go. Yep. And then now you're gonna get your stump dirty. How you like that? Comfortable?
Put some in this.
Sure.
Wonderful.
Sorry, you talking about side picture?
Finger off the
Okay,
trigger.
so if you see just to the right of the 6, there's that small red round.
So they wanted to call me.
On the
and have a
close. Are you shooting the
conversation.
far one?
I shot that one already in the box.
You
Yeah,
get, you
there's
get
a-
so many
there's a
prank calls,
rectangular
right?
box
Hi, good
just to
time
the
to
right
call
of
you
6.
now. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, I was gonna
So I thought this was John.
no, we always
And
want
then I
to
looked
shoot
up, I thought, oh, I'm gonna check the numbers. So I checked the recording. So I remember.
A little, not a lot. Line up that
on the two piece.
that beam in the center.
And you just want to bring your eye back and focus so you've got a clear picture.
Ready?
See something?
not bad.
So this hand.
One more.
You can have your hands out, or you can. I find with 9mm it doesn't matter because that doesn't take that much. So having it out, it's not gonna. But I like having it this so that you got this action, right?
Okay.
This hand, pull the gun into your right.
Other than that, here's the way you line up your target. Pink is your target. So technically you're shooting on the lower side, but you know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Okay, take your hand, rack it back, grab it, and pull back and let go. There you go. Lean into forward. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Slowly squeeze the trigger.
Where do I go?
The whitest part in the middle of the pin.
Yep. Yeah, you're done. You got two.
Three in a row.
So now what you do is grab the gun.
So when you open up with this hand,
I walk random.
these shooters that have a problem, usually have a trigger and it goes low left every time. Usually the opposite, it's like, oh, we're good.
Can't see where it's going with. Try and aim for the bottom half of the pin.
Okay.
See what happens.
Or maybe try different.
And then you're going to release. If you let go up here, it's going to go over. If you let go low, it's going to go right on the ground. So try and have your
My friends,
eyes
that's
line
how
up
you
with
throw
your elbows
stuff. I love it.
And it should go right into the
My
circle.
friend here has got the anger. You can hold, I teach everyone to hold it by the blade, yes.
Okay, so a little more oomph, but that was great.
I see where that one went. Yep.
Fabulous.
You got robbed on that last
I
one.
happened to be at Spartan too, and they made me do 30 burpees.
There you go.
Yes.
We were
Face the camera.
ever so slightly, and then it keeps the arrow in the pocket there. Thank you. You don't want to be all gangster with it, but you can tilt it ever so slightly. There you go. Hey, good shot. Woo, I like that. Nice. This feels much better. There you go. Not today. Get out of here with that.
Oh, sorry, that one went in the bushes.
When you were talking about getting.
High elbow. Beautiful.
Oh,
You know what though?
him.
You look so good doing it.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
felt
that was a
better.
good form,
That felt
man.
better. Thank you
Excellent.
so much.
You're very welcome.
That was good.
Well, as you can see here, everybody's having a great time here at the Ladies' Day here at Niagara Regional Sportsmen's Gun Club on this beautiful afternoon. Everybody's trying all sorts of different rifles, shotguns, handguns. We've got some archery going. I'm really thankful to see all the range safety officers that are really taking the time to walk people through the safe use of firearms. You know, everybody here are licensed, law-abiding firearm owners, and we're just having a great time. Let's see what else we got to see.
There you go. So the bolt can go up and back. Yep, back, forward, down. And then, yep, fingers back, thumb through the hole. And then finger up here. And then when you're ready, onto the trigger, squeeze. There you go, same thing.
Okay.
Keep going.
When I got in here, I said, yeah, it was crazy.
Yep, go ahead.
It was my first time. Yeah. I went in with friends. I don't ride. Yes. Yeah, that's coming.
Pretty sure that was it. I think, yeah, like right now, it's too low.
Okay, up to back.
Polymer gun, it's even like this, it's a lot of work to hold them up all
The
day.
other one was easier. They had to pull it and get that one. I pulled it twice.
Nice shot. You got him. Nice shot. Another nice shot. Another nice shot. Well done. Well done, young lady. Well done.
Every time we go there, he's
Okay, what I would try to now is take the finger, it's less leverage, right? Leverage, okay.
This one goes up.
Okay, cheese, 3, 2, 1. Yay. Thanks.
That box right there. Look through it and pick out a shirt or a hat.
Okay, nice grip. Okay. Get your hand right up there.
Just a hair. Or well, I'm going to say what, Troy? Roll your shoulders forward, just a hair, kind of lead it.
Nice and straight legs.
Whatever's comfortable for you.
Part a bit. That's it.
That's the 50.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's just nothing that I was left, it's just like, I just gotta like think way too hard. So.
Well, and there you have it, everyone. That was our Ladies Range Day here in Niagara. Everybody had a blast. If you didn't make it out this year, come check us out next time. Until then, stay safe, shoot straight. God keep our land glorious and free.